right, so this is Teresa, and she is representing 40s to 50s. What are some of your issues?
Mostly, lately I've been getting dark spots.
Yeah.
And I really hate them, and I don't know what to do about them. I've used some creams, and they're not going away.
You know what? I think your skin is beautiful, and you have very tiniest of fine lines. Yeah. I think you look great.
They actually really age well in their family.
Yeah, really
that's what I'm noticing.
Good gene pool.
Good genes.
Way to go.
Yeah. But she's seeing a lot of things that patients in their 40s come to me about, which is pigmentation and fine lines. And so your routine is really going to address both of those things. Your morning routine, we're going to stick with that mild cleanser, just like your daughter was using. And then this is one of my favorite protection and brown spot treatments called vitamin C. The medical name for it is ascorbic acid. So that's what you're going to look for in your skincare when you're shopping for vitamin C. It could say ascorbic acid. It should be in a dark bottle like this because it's inactivated by light. And it's usually in a serum. So after you wash your face, you're going to put 5 drops, and I'm going to put them in your hand. And then you're just going to kind of rub it all over your skin. So it goes not only on your brown spots, but everywhere to prevent sun damage and photo damage throughout the day. So this is, yeah, right there is perfect. And then your morning routines, you're going to stick with that same easy moisturizer plus sunscreen right afterwards.
And then what's this one, Dr.
So this is for nighttime. So nighttime is all about upping the vitamin A. So your daughter has the mild different. You're getting the powerful retin A. You'll get the retinol here.
Mom gets extra strength.
Yeah, extra strength. So everybody needs vitamin A. Retinol is the ingredient name you're going to search for on the bottle. And again, this one's a really nice one with moisturizer, so it's not as drying. And you use it all over your face at nighttime. You can use a good, like unlike the other one that you could only use a pea-size amount, you could really use like a quarter-size amount and rub it in. Okay.
You're all set, baby.
Thank you.